Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down again and find the build number, and as you can see it will be at the very bottom of the list, at least it should be. And all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back and find the system settings. They should be right above the About Phone. Now let's tap on Advanced, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got developer options. So let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show surface updates also. Here we've got some options which are connected to the input, to the Bluetooth, and to the networking overall. So quite a lot of options, and if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top on this bluish background. Let's tap on it, and as you can see most of the options are inactive, and after getting back the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.